Hey, what's up, guys? Long time no see, and long time no hear. Okay, now, today, guys, I will share with you guys with the lesson learned during the construction or during the inspections. Basically, this informations that I shared, this is captured during our walk down. So let's say some of the observations captures also during the installation stages prior to the walk down. Okay, so this is how you can see. So for example, guys, this is the EXD panel. So one of the vendor that contractor supplying with us, and this is when we open this, we can see here it's very congested. So if you are attending inspection of this and you're attending factory acceptance testing, basically you found these kinds of uh, termination installations of the breaker, the wires, and terminals, etc. So electrical instrument telecom that is messy and congested. So are you agree? Are you are really if you are the quality inspector, QC engineer, you are releasing this inspection release note or not? So this is part of the observations that we are capturing during the time when the equipment arrive at site. Okay, so maybe when you see this, maybe you can say yourself that this is your first time you have been seeing this kind of uh, wiring inside of the compartment. Now you can see here, and this is our bus bar terminal, wherein the connection of our cables coming from the other end. So you can see from this bus bar and this terminal, this bar, can see this portion. Some there is a spotted, like a dark spot. We will not accept this one also. So if you are the quality, if you are doing the inspection or doing the FAT, so you have to comment this kind of observation. And also some extended, you can see the extended conductor. So you have to check as well this. Okay. So if you are the quality, you need to very vigilant this kind of informations, because some of the quality they are not, they are ignoring some of this kind of informations during the inspection and FAT activities. Okay. And how about this? When we do the installations, so construction team install their stanchions for our gas detector, H2S, etc. And they have a deck penetrations. And as you can see here, this is our deck penetration wherein the cable passing through from beneath the deck. So this is below deck, and then coming the tray below of this, and then you are penetrating here the cable passing through in this area. As you can see, it's very uh, narrow, small. Okay, you can see it's squeezing the cables itself. So this is not the way how we accepting as well. So if you do the 3D model, if you're from design team, you can check this one also, so that it's easy to install our cable. Right? And how about this? This is our compartment of our uh, cables. This is this is the from the top. This is our main JB, and this is our connections to our field terminals. As you can see here, this is our deck penetration. This is cut out, and then we're in the cable passing through. And then you can see here, this the cable tray. It's not sufficient to install the cables. So meaning the tray that they installed is smaller. We need a bigger tray in order to accommodate all the cables coming in this compartment. And also you can see in these portions, basically some of the foreman or supervisor at site that they are not knowing how they can run their cable when they entering in our compartment. So that's why it's happening from this side. It's bending our cable. As you can see, it's bending, and it's will kicking in this portion. So the terminal, it will be become damaged, or our cables and terminal lag, it's stressing. So if you are the supervisor at site, engineer at site, so your cable, it's passing through in this portion, okay, from this portion, and then it will be terminated directly here. And then if you are terminating from this side, so cable must coming from this side. All right. So this is a sort of the informations that we observed at site during the construction stages, and quality should be verified as well, this kind of information. So how about this? When you inspected this tray, basically all the QC will do the inspections of the installation of the cable tray, and you found this kind of installation that we are not accepting this kind of installations. So we need to provide here fittings. So either elbow 45, uh, straight reducer, or any left reducer, whatever that you are providing. As long as that when you see the cable tray, that then needs to have provide fittings as well. So when you do the 3D modeling or modeling of the tray, this will be captured. So if you are attending this kind of model prior to erections or approval of our IFC drawing, this will be captured as well. So okay, so that all the construction team and fabrication team, it's their easy and install all the trays in the field. So how about this? This is transmitter. This is a pressure transmitter, and then this is our manifold. So some of the transmitter that there's a good framing. So this is our stanchion. Some of the transmitter that I experienced, they have a frame here that's to be captured in this portion, in this area, and then we have a transmitter. And basically this kind of transmitter, as you can see from this side, it's a small ball bar, like a bar, and holding this transmitter. And then if you have a manifold, and when you are providing here the bulb, it's too heavy and it's not supported, it will be damaged to our transmitter. And also here our manifold, it's touching in this stanchion. So this is part of the design during the design phase, and how we prepare our stanchion and how we order our transmitter or instrument transmitter. All right. So this is a sort of the informations and observations that we covered. And here another one. This is our RAYU or AYUS cabinet. And basically during the installations, this is our compartment. This is our trunking. And when the field instrument cable wire to be installed here, since the trunking it is small, so it's overlapping all this cable, so it will not pitted in our trunking. So this is sort of the observation as well. So that's why when you do the inspections or material or fat activities, you have to consider this trunking as well. And if you are the designer, so consider as well all of the informations or the observations that we are capturing right now for the easy activities at site. Okay. So on the design team, just only design, focusing the specification and standard and applying all these informations in one area. But constructability wise, they're not considering as well. So this is the issue sometimes of the design. Okay. So that's all, guys. This is for all your informations related observations. So we have so many observations, but I share only a few things that you have to know some of this informations. All right, and enjoy.